The following message is transmitted at the request of the North Smithfield Police Department. Recently, an unknown aircraft claiming to be the sleigh of Santa Claus appeared in the skies of Providence shooting northwest. This aircraft is not labeled as Santa's on any tracking radar, and it is currently unknown to whom the aircraft belongs. If you see this vehicle, get indoors, as it is unknown what capabilities the vehicle currently possesses. This is not Santa's vehicle. We repeat, this is not Santa's vehicle. Updates will be provided as information comes out.